Welcome back again, Majik Cat Security tutorials. Have another little utility for you to share with you. As usual, I will share the URL at the bottom below the video. So this is called HandyHacks. Just a little collection of utilities and goodies and things that you would use regularly. So I'm going to quickly clone it. I'm already in the directory that I want to clone it into. So I'm going to go inside there. We're going to make the setup file executable, and then we're going to run it. And it will look for any dependencies that it needs and install it if it needs to, which it's doing right now, and shouldn't take but a moment. There we go. So you get it live. Here we go. All right. HandyHacks anywhere in the terminal. Okay, so boom. There we go. So as you can see, it's a collection of utilities. You can use a dictionary. You can use. You can get your external IP. Boom, right there. And yes, that changes regularly, folks. So. You can get your internal IP. There you go. And it gives you time to copy. That's why there's that delay. You see you have a 10-second delay. So in case you need to copy and paste it somewhere for another app, comes in handy. Full IP info. Office tools. You can hit Office tools and it just has some cool little stuff in here. Date and time. Exit that. We come back. Stats and running processes. There we go. Oh, just some quick little things. So handy little utilities that you can use. Feel free to grab it and use it. You might find it handy. If not, that's cool too. You can tail a file, create a web directory out of any folder or directory that you like to. Just all kinds of little fun stuff. Run a tracer out. Handy stuff to have. All right, at your fingertips. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a good evening.